Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my creative journal, which is absolutely my favorite planner. This is where I get to be candid and write my feelings and frustrations and everything about life. So I pulled out some sticker books and some washi tape, and we are going to be decorating for March 21st through the 27th, and this is a classic size vertical planner called Sophisticated Florals. This particular sticker book is called Theater of the Stars, and I love it. It's beautiful and very different from many other sticker books that I have. This is from my collections. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar or if you have some sticker books from them, but they are truly super lovely. So I get very excited whenever they come up with new sticker books, and I usually buy them because their graphics have stepped up so tremendously that I can't help myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some washi tape because why not? And then I'm gonna go ahead and remove some lines. I think the fastest way to do this will be just freehand. Sorry about all the shaking, I just wanted to do it pretty quick so we can move on with this spread. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I am so glad you're here. I hope you like my channel. And if you have been here before, as always, thank you so much for spending the time with me. I really appreciate you. So I'm not sure if you're just watching while planning or if you're doing house chores, like sometimes I do when I watch other YouTuber videos, but thank you so much for choosing to spend your time with me. Okay, so here we go. I found this washi in my stash that is purple and blue, and I thought, how perfect, right? So this sticker book is also very loved by me. So there's a lot of pages that are loose and missing and kind of all over the place, but I can't help it. I just love it. And I wanted to use these really different graphics that I wasn't very accustomed to. And my planner, I thought that would be a fun spread. And these books are large and they come with so many images that it's really incredible how many spreads you can make with that one book. I think I already made maybe five or six spreads with this book, and look how many stickers I still have remaining. It's insanity. Okay, so I will add some quotes this time in my journal. You are the moon and the stars. How lovely is that? It's like a very loving message. Who doesn't love the moon? It's just beautiful. Okay, I'm pulling some purple washi because I have a new goal of adding washi to some of my spreads, if not all. I think that would be a lot of fun, and I have a gazillion washis in my house, so I need to use them. Otherwise, what are they doing here? I'm being very conscious of my stash and how blessed I am, and trying to use all the things that I have and share with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this girl. She is so pretty, and it is Virgo, so it is all about the zodiac. I think it's so much fun. And look in that little bowl, there's like in that I'm not sure, crystal ball, there's all the zodiacs. Like, how pretty is that? Like I said, they did such a good job. You have Aquarius with that beautiful flowing river of the galaxy, and then you have a Leo, which actually looks just like a Leo, so no question there what it is. But I love how they finished the body with all of the little star thing. So I'm just going to be decorating the spread like so. Yeah, so there's that. I think I'm not going to be using my sidebar this week, so I'm just going to go ahead and add different images of the space, and I am really loving how that looks, and it brings that darkness into the spread, which I wanted, like that night vision of that. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these crystals to the bottom of the page as well. Like, look how fun this is. This book is just really, really beautiful. They did a great job designing it, and I'm really enjoying using it. Okay, so I'm adding some crystals to the bottom of that page, and I'm just trimming the clear top that I'm not going to use, obviously, and it's going to allow me to write lower and closer to the crystals. And again, I don't know what's going to be happening that week, because how could you? So I never know how much room I'm going to need to write. I leave myself usually the same amount of room, more or less, and then if I need more room, I just stick another page in, like a half a page, or I will add a fold out to my spread. No big deal. There's always solutions. When people ask me, how do you know how much room and where to put your stickers prior to plans, I look at my week and I plan it based on what I know right now. I know most of my appointments for next week. Unless it's an emergency, then it will be added. I know any dinner plans usually in advance, and I always also add a box throughout the day. And you know, if it doesn't fill up with meaningful plans, I can always put in there what I'm watching, or what I did, or how I was feeling, or what the weather was like. No big deal. Look at that Gemini. Gemini is so beautiful. I think I want this little crab. Look how cute it is. Let's add a little crab here. My little crabby. The gel pen that I'm using is a new pen. I think it's pronounced Ohuhu. I'm not sure. But these are gel pens. I will link them and add them to my Amazon store. They actually work really well in minimizing the lines. I am surprised. They're very, very affordable. I think for 20 pens, 10 colors, and then you get 7 whites, it was around $11. So super affordable. I'm really enjoying this pen so far. This is the pen I've used in the blackout spread in my catch-all for that week, and it's been working really wonderful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the Libra, because how can you have a balanced spread without a Libra? What was I thinking? Okay, and look at all of these beautiful purple washi spreads, right? They're gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one with little dots and stuff to the spread. They're little purple dots, and I think that's gonna give me like a fun layout, and I can't wait to write in that one. It's gonna be so much fun. I've been really enjoying my spreads lately. I've been doing a mix of my own images from Etsy that I purchased and images from Happy Planner and different companies, and it's a lot of fun to be able to mix and match and not be just stuck with one company. I'm really appreciative of all the variety there is out there. So I've been having really a lot of fun creating. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the foil so those little bits and pieces are easier to take out and apply to my page. So bear with me. I will go ahead and fast forward this and then add the little bits and pieces. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and grab all of this little stuff and add it to my planner. I really enjoy adding these beautiful elements and making my spreads. Clear stickers are not always the easiest to take off. I just want all the fun elements of this page in my spread, but look, like I love the purple blue transition. So I'm just adding these little signs all over to kind of fill in the spread, and I think when I write in it, it's going to make a pretty big difference. And as I'm writing, and if I don't have anything to write, I can always add more stickers, and no big deal there. But like I said, I really love this sticker book, so if you ever see it available at Michael's, grab it. For me, definitely worth it. If you are into Zodiac and these beautiful blues and purples, then you will definitely love it too. It gives it definitely a richer, darker, vibrant colors. I'm gonna add a couple more washi strips to this spread and I will be all done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you're already not subscribed, I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys for another video very soon. I am very grateful for you choosing to spend time with me, and I hope you have a very safe and blessed week. See you soon. Thanks.